My name is Cassandra Shiva FP with the last name 001, and today I will be presenting a research study titled Early Childhood Language and Bullying in an English Medium School in China, written by Clayton Maini Lehman and published in 2017. The study focused on how language and school policy affect the way preschool children can report bullying incidents in internet school in China. In recent years, internet schools in China have grown rapidly, often promoting an English-only environment to help students acquire English. However, this approach may create new challenges, especially for every young learning who are still developing their language skill. One of the most serious concerns is whether these children can actively report bullying if they cannot use their native language. Besides of that, the study asks two important research questions. The first is language itself a factor in students' ability to repel bullying? And the second, does an English-only policy affect how students communicate incidents of bullying to their foreign teacher? And I think these questions are crucial because they connect language learning with the safety and well-being of children. To answer this question, the researchers gathered data from multiple groups: 11 preschool students, all native Mandarin speakers around 4 years old, and their parents, 5 Chinese teaching assistants, and 10 teachers from Canada and the United States. The data was collected through interview and questionnaires conducted by May and August of 2015. The findings reveal several interesting points. Parents generally believe that the school had adequate discipline policies, and however, most foreign teachers reported that the policies were unclear or even non-existent. This suggested a lack of consistent leadership and communication within the school. When it came to language policy, the response were also mixed. Some teachers said the policy was English only, but the others said bilingual, while some felt there was no clear policy at all. For the student, the results were even more telling. 7 out of the 11 children said it was difficult to report bullying to foreign teachers because of language barrier. Many of them prefer to tell their parents instead. This highlights how strongly language influences children's ability to express their experience and sex health. Teachers and assistants also had different opinions about how belief that an English-only policy frequently made reporting more difficult. The discussion of this study emphasized that the language barriers directly affect young children's safety in school. Become even more harmful. Children feel more comfortable and secure when they can report problems in their native language. And teachers need to be aware of this reality. So the conclusion is the study showed that both language and language policy have a strong influence on bullying reports, and English-only policy may not always benefit children, and it can actually reduce their ability to communicate and feel safe. Therefore, schools have a responsibility to ensure that all students, regardless of their language ability, are able to report bullying. Providing linguistic support and effective anti-bullying measures is not just good practice, but also it is essential for the well-being of young learners. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.